I'm here today with Steve and Russell, and we're going to be talking about this Porsche 911. Tell me about the car, Russell.
Listen, this is a 1979 Porsche 911 SC. I bought the car from a very good friend of mine, actually my neighbour, who had owned the car for how long?
I'd owned it for 35 years from 1985 till May 2020. May 2020, and we held a COVID lockdown car show out here.
Just down here?
Yeah, in this
fantastic.
actual
I just brought four cars and put there, and Russell came out and said, "What's going on?" I said, "We're having a personal car show because you weren't allowed to have proper events.
With all the lockdowns and stuff.
And so he said he'd bring a couple of vehicles out, which he did.
Fantastic.
And we then spent a couple of hours negotiating him buying this.
Yeah.
And you ended up walking away with the Porsche.
Walking away, and I paid him for the car, and there sits the car today. And I bought, thank you very much. And I always said if I would ever sell the car, I would offer the car back to him or his family. But at the moment, I'm happy to keep the car. Very nice car. So low mileage, low owners.
You said 92,000, did it?
Yeah, 92,000.
And how many of those miles have you put on yourself?
I put about 300 miles on the clock.
But you have a few cars to choose between, though.
I have a few to choose from. I don't know, how many miles did you reckon you put on this car?
It was 33,500 when I bought it, and it was 91 when I sold it to you.
There it is. It's 92. So I've done 1,000 miles with it.
And can I just say, I was absolutely delighted to sell it to Russell.
And I just want to say thanks very much for that.
A great man to do business
Thank you very
with.
much.
I'll get some
Can I say one
shots
more
round.
thing?
Yes, you can.
This car show, this classic car show that Russell's put on here today, has been absolutely fantastic.
It has,
Best
yes.
I've been.
I think it's been very good. I've enjoyed it thoroughly myself. Been here since 8 o'clock this morning, and we're nearly 3 p.m. now.
So we're still going. Well, thanks very much for that. This is the man who wants to own the car. He keeps offering.
This is the nicest car in the show.
He's
original.
He's been trying to buy this car for months, years. Yeah,
but you don't want to let it go just yet.
No, he has a few Porsches, and he always says, "Oh, Russell, please sell me this car." I said, "No,
One to add to the collection.
it's not going to."
It's not been messed around with. It's lovely.
It's original.
Really
We like originality.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I bought it in 1985,
It was his car. Yeah.
it was, until I sold it to Russell. But when I bought it in 1985, I had spent 6 weeks scouring the country for one that met my spec requirements to replace my old Porsche 914. And it took me 6 weeks to find it. That was the one, and I knew it. Yeah, that was the one.
There you go.
Yeah, super.